What if I told you that earning an extra $500 every single month, without having to quit your day job, is not only possible but actually quite straightforward? If that sounds good to you, then you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to break down 5 of the absolute best side hustles you can start in 2025. The best part? These are all beginner-friendly, incredibly flexible, and have a proven track record of success. I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick schemes. I'm talking about real, actionable strategies that can genuinely change your financial future. So if you're ready to boost your income, grab a notebook, and let's dive right in. First up on our list, at number 1, we have freelance and remote gigs. In 2025, the digital economy is absolutely exploding, and platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are at the heart of this boom. Think about the skills you already have. Are you a good writer? Can you edit videos? Do you know your way around social media? Maybe you're just incredibly organized and great at data entry. These are all high-demand skills you can monetize right now. You don't need to be a world-class expert to get started. Many people begin by offering their services part-time, taking on just a few projects here and there on evenings or weekends. It's completely realistic to make an extra $500 a month this way, and often much more as you build your reputation and portfolio. The ultimate perk? The freedom. You can work from your couch, a coffee shop, or even a beach on the other side of the world. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. It's the perfect blend of flexibility and earning potential. Moving on to number 2, a side hustle that's incredibly close to my heart: content creation and YouTube automation. Yes, channels just like this one are legitimate businesses, and you don't even have to be in front of the camera if you don't want to. With the rise of powerful AI tools for voiceovers, script writing, and video editing, creating a faceless YouTube channel is easier than ever. You could create channels that compile relaxing music, explain complex historical events, or review new tech gadgets, all without ever showing your face. The magic of YouTube is that once your videos are uploaded, they work for you 24/7. They can generate passive income around the clock through ad revenue, brand sponsorships, and affiliate links placed in your video descriptions. Now, I won't lie to you. It requires consistency, especially at the beginning. You have to commit to creating and uploading quality content regularly. But once you gain momentum, the income potential is truly massive and can scale far beyond what you might imagine from a simple side hustle. All right, let's talk about number 3, selling digital products. This is one of my favorite passive income models because of its sheer brilliance. The concept is simple. You create something once and you can sell it an infinite number of times without any extra effort or inventory to manage. What kind of digital products am I talking about? The possibilities are endless. It could be a short ebook on a topic you're passionate about, an online course teaching a skill you've mastered, or even beautifully designed digital planners, stock photos, or social media templates. Platforms like Gumroad, Udemy, and Etsy's digital download section make the entire process incredibly easy. They handle the payment processing and delivery for you. You just need to create the product and market it. Even one single well-made product, when marketed effectively to the right audience, has the potential to bring in a steady $500 a month. Imagine waking up to sales notifications for something you created weeks or even months ago. That's the power of digital products. Coming in at number 4 is a powerhouse in the online world: affiliate marketing. You've probably heard of it, but let me break down why it's one of the fastest growing online businesses for 2025. In a nutshell, you act as a digital salesperson. You promote products or services that you already use, love, and trust. And when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win-win situation. The customer finds a great product, the company makes a sale, and you get paid for the referral. Getting started is simple with networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or by joining individual affiliate programs from your favorite brands. The key to success here isn't just spamming links everywhere. The real secret is to build trust with an audience by focusing on a specific niche and recommending products that genuinely solve their problems. When you provide real value, the sales will follow. With the right strategy and niche, affiliate marketing can easily scale far, far beyond that initial $500 a month goal. And finally, at number 5, we have a classic that's been supercharged by technology: online reselling and flipping. In 2025, online marketplaces like eBay, Poshmark, and even Facebook Marketplace are thriving ecosystems of buyers and sellers. The business model is beautifully simple. Buy low, sell high. You can find undervalued items at thrift stores, garage sales, or even on clearance racks at major retailers, and then resell them online for a profit. What can you flip? Almost anything. Popular categories include vintage clothing, collectible sneakers, electronics, rare books, or unique home decor. Some people specialize in one area, becoming experts in identifying hidden gems. One of the best things about this side hustle is the low barrier to entry. You can start with almost no money. Just find something in your own home you no longer need and sell it. That first sale can then fund your next flip. It's a tangible, straightforward, and incredibly satisfying way to make extra cash. So let's do a quick recap. The top 5 side hustles to supercharge your income in 2025 are: 1. Freelance gigs. 2. YouTube automation. 3. Selling digital products. 4. Affiliate marketing. And 5. Online reselling. Each and every one of these has the realistic potential to make you an extra $500 a month. And with time and dedication, they can grow into something much, much bigger. The most important thing to remember is that knowledge is useless without action. The real secret to success is to pick the one that resonates most with you, stay consistent, and put in the focused effort. Don't try to do all 5 at once. Choose one, master it, and then you can think about expanding. Now I want to hear from you. Which one of these side hustles sounds like the best fit for your skills and interests? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts, or if you have any questions. I love hearing from you guys and will do my best to answer as many comments as I can. And if you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button, subscribe to Meta Money, and don't forget to ring the notification bell. That way, you won't miss out on our future videos packed with more ways to grow your income in 2025 and beyond. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.